Okay, now let us do question number 7, x sine inverse x. So here also we have two functions. So which function to choose first? So this x is algebraic function and this is inverse trigonometric function, right? So if you use the ILATE, ILATE, so first it is coming for inverse trigonometric function, right? So that means this sine inverse x will treat as first function and this algebraic function will treat as second function. Okay, so integration of x sine inverse x dx. Now in this type of question what we'll do is we'll consider this inverse function as t. Okay, so let sine inverse x is equal to t. So from here x will be sine t. Okay, because this is sine inverse, if you take it on the right hand side it becomes sine. Okay, so x equal to sine t, then we'll differentiate with respect to t, so we'll get dx by dt equal to, and differentiation of sine t is cos t, or dx will be cos t dt. Okay, just cross multiply. So now we'll put here, so therefore x sine inverse x dx will be, okay, so what is x? X is sine t, right? So in place of x I have written sine t and then sine inverse x. And what is sine inverse x? It is t. So this t I have written first. Okay, otherwise it will become sine tt. So t I have written first. Next is what? Dx. And what is dx? That is cos t dt. Okay, cos t dt. So now we have a formula for this formula. We have 2 sin x cos x. What is the formula? Sin 2x. Okay, I've already given these formulas. So from here, see, here we have sin x cos x, right, or sin t cos t. So these two if you take on the right hand side, it will become what? Sin x cos x equal to sin 2x by 2. We are getting sin x cos x, right? This one sin t cos t, here it is t. So in place of sin x cos x we can write what? Sin 2x by 2. Okay, similarly here also I have done the same thing. In place of sin t cos t I have written sin 2t by 2, and this 2 is in the denominator, right, and it's constant, so we can take it in the, or we can take it outside. Okay, so it will be 1 by 2, then this t, and in place of sin t cos t I have written sin 2t. Okay, this part. So now let us integrate using the formula. Okay, so therefore half t sin t dt will be, so this half is constant, we'll write it outside. Now as I've already told that using ILATE, this sine inverse, right, so this function we are treating as first function. So sine inverse x we have considered t, so that means this t is the first function and this sine 2t is the second function. Okay, then we'll apply the formula here. So half is constant, we can write it outside. So this first function into integration of second function, that is sine 2t dt minus integration of then ddt of differentiation of first function, that is ddt of t, into integration of second function again sine 2t dt. Okay, so next we have half and t, then integration of sine 2t is what? Minus cos 2t, and coefficient of t is 2, so we have to divide by 2. Okay, don't forget to write these 2's. We have to, after integrating, you have to write the coefficient of t. Okay, if it is x, no need to write, because suppose you have sine x, so coefficient of x is 1, so 1 no need to write. But if you have 2t, 3t, 4, whatever, so you have to write the coefficient. Okay, below. Then minus, then ddt of t will be 1. Okay, then integration of sine 2t, again same thing, minus cos 2t by 2 dt. Okay, this dt. Then we have, see, we can multiply here, this 1 by 2 is common for both. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 2 will be 1 by 4, right, and here we have minus, everything have minus outside. Then 1 by 4 t cos 2t, then this minus and this minus will become plus. Okay, and this is 1 by 2, it's multiplied to both as I have said, so 2 into this 2 will become 4. Okay, so plus 1 by 4, the integration of cos 2t dt. Then next we have minus 1 by 4 t cos 2t plus 1 by 4 into, then integration of cos 2t is sin 2t, and coefficient of t is 2, so divide by 2 plus c. Okay, integration is over, so we have to write plus c, that's constant of integration. Then minus 1 by 4 t, now cos 2t, I have applied this formula. Okay, 1 minus 2 sin square t, we have a formula, right, cos 2x, that is 1 minus 2 sin square x. So this formula I have applied. So here we have t, so in place of x I have written t. Okay, 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 1 by 4. Okay, now again sin 2t, this same formula, sine 2x, that is 2 sin x cos x, right? So here also same thing, 2 sin t cos 2t, and this if you multiply 1 by 4 into 2 will become 1 by 8, right? And here 2 4s are 8, it is cancelled. So what we are getting, we are getting minus 1 by 4 t 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 1 by 4, right? Sin t and again and cos t. We know this formula, sin square, okay, just say t, sin square t plus cos square t is 1, right? So from here what will be cos square t, that is 1 minus sin square t, right? Then what will be cos t, this square if you are taking on the right hand side it becomes square root, right? So that formula I have applied here. Okay, in place of cos t I have written root over 1 minus this one, sin square t. Next, okay, so therefore integration of x, now we'll just put the value of t. Okay, so therefore integration of x sin inverse x dx will be minus 1 by 4, and what is t? T is sin inverse x. Okay, so in place of t we will write sin inverse x 1 minus 2 sin square t. Okay, what is sin square t? See, sin t is x, right? So sin square t will be just square both sides, it will become x square, right? So in place of sin square t we can write x square. So I have written here 1 minus 2 x square, and plus 1 by 4, and sin t is x, right? It's already there, and 1 minus, and sin square t is x square. Okay, root of 1 minus x square plus, or here we can change, right? Here we have minus 1 by 4, so if we take minus common, this will change, right? This will become plus and this will become minus, right? Or you can write like this, 1 by 4 sin inverse x, so 1 minus 2 x square you can write 2x square minus 1. Okay, so this minus will become plus, and plus 1 by 4 x root over 1 minus x square plus c. So this is the final answer.